Need to connect your Xumo remote to your TV? Here's the lowdown. First, Xumo remotes now use both IR and RF. Start by trying automatic pairing. Hold the pairing button, usually on the back, and point it at the TV for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, the Xumo app is your best bet. Download it, select Remote Setup, and follow the on-screen prompts. The app uses Bluetooth and can even auto-detect your TV brand for easier setup. For stubborn connections, a simple reset, removing the batteries for 10 seconds, often does the trick. Remember, firmware updates on your TV and the Xumo app can drastically improve compatibility. Aim for a seamless, app-driven experience. Xumo remotes use both IR and RF modes. IR requires a direct line of sight and is good for basic controls. RF is wireless, working through walls, making it great for hidden setups or smart home integration. Modern remotes automatically switch between modes. If you have a non-Xumo TV, you might need setup codes. Find these 4 to 5 digit codes in the Xumo app's database. To program, hold the setup button on your remote until the LED blinks, enter the code, and test. The Xumo app is your updated source for codes. Remember that setup codes are becoming obsolete, and most new TVs should connect automatically using the app. With the shift towards smart home integration, expect Xumo remotes to integrate with platforms like Google Home and Amazon Alexa, enabling voice-controlled pairing and hands-free control.